What's up? I wanted to make a quick supplier and product research video for you guys so we can get you starting to live the dream out here or wherever you want in the world, because right now I'm in Phuket, Thailand. It's about 85 degrees. Life is good, guys. So we want to put you wherever you want to be in the world. And the first way we do that is by building you an online income. Now, I did it with Amazon FBA. There's a lot of other businesses. But keep in mind, affiliate marketing and social media marketing, which were two businesses I started out with, only focused on building another person's business or another person's product. With Amazon, we get so much more profit because we're the ones ordering directly from a manufacturer overseas, where we're able to get the product for 5 times less than what it's selling for on Amazon. So once we can do that, we also put that product in the Amazon warehouse, where then Amazon's gonna ship it out to the customers 24/7, no matter what time zone you're in. So we're gonna start out here. We're at Alibaba.com, and I'm going to give you a really cool tip because this is something I used to have to do. I used to have to go on Amazon, find products, and then type in individual items on Alibaba. But this is the old way I had to do things. Now we have AI. So I've been using an AI free tool that helps me find suppliers for any product on the Alibaba website with just one click of a button. So I'm going to show you that. But basically, this is where we will be sourcing our products from. And I actually just found this product yesterday. It's already suggesting it to me. The nut milk maker. Now, if I go and show you what these cost here, about $19, $18, $21, and then I go to Amazon and type in nut milk maker, I'm seeing them here for $85, $85, $83. Now, this is where I want to show you that really cool hack. You're going to want to start by downloading the free Chrome extension Alibaba Lens, and then over here it will start populating. You do have to be on the Google Chrome browser to be using this. But once I press on Alibaba Lens, I can come and look at any one of these, take a screenshot of it, and it will instantly find me the exact product that's selling here for, like I said, just about 4 or 5 times more than what we can buy it for. Now, selling a higher priced item is where we can make a lot more profit with fewer sales. That means less moving parts in your business, less things to go wrong, and also fewer sales to make a lot of money. Now, if it comes down to it, you guys are probably asking, how do we even find these products? I mean, honestly, it's pretty difficult if you don't know what you're doing. And this is after 8 years I've learned how to do this. Using specific product research tools, we can find the products that we need to find that have low competition and are making a lot of money. So if I come over to Zonbase, this is a tool. Again, you can try a free trial of it. I'll have a link down below if you decide to get it for a month or 2 months or a year, which, I have a lifetime access to this, but basically you will get up to what I believe is a 40% discount with my special link if you do sign up to this research software. And there are a lot of other softwares out there. I've tried them all, and they all pretty much do the same thing. So when it comes down to it, it's just which one's going to be the best value for you. And what we get with this software is actually Zon Research, which is actually a database that takes every product in Amazon's catalog, and we put in filters like, I want the product to be making over $20,000 a month and priced between $100 and $200. We put in filters and it sorts every product in Amazon's website and gives us the one that meet our criteria. And then we also get the Chrome extension. So once we find a product, we can dissect the entire market and see if it's worth getting into. So Amazon is a very data-run business. We're not playing around here. We're looking at everything from profit margins to how many units we need to buy, everything before we ever send any money out to any supplier. Now with Zonbase, we'll start with Zon Research because we actually need to find the products. This is where it all comes down to. Now we can do a product search over here or keywords. I select all the categories and then I uncheck software, video games, grocery, gourmet food, and clothing, because those are just categories that over the years I've found are not good to sell in. They could be copywritten or trademark type items in those categories, and things that we could expire. We just don't want to get into those. Now over here, filters, okay? Minimum monthly revenue. Like I said, let's just for kicks and giggles say minimum of $20,000 a month revenue. Now there's a lot of options you can put in here. I'm only going to focus on a few core ones because that usually gives me everything I need. So I focus with revenue, and then maximum reviews is also important to look at. This is based on our competition. I'll say I don't want any product to be over 500 reviews. Otherwise, the market's starting to get a little saturated, a little too competitive. If we find a product with low reviews that's making a lot of money, and it's the same way throughout that entire niche or that entire category, everyone's making a lot of money and they all have low reviews, that's the ideal product market we're looking for. So we do those two filters, and then we're gonna also come over here to price, which is also very important. Like I said, we're gonna wanna have that product price point in that higher range. I'm gonna say $100 to $400. Now the next filter is a game changer when it comes to product research software. I'm so happy this one has it. We can take it one layer deeper and look exactly what the demand is for specific products. So this is very key, and we do that by looking up the minimum monthly search volume. So we don't want a product making maybe less than 10,000 keyword searches per month. That means you're getting 10,000 free clicks to that keyword through Amazon's website every single month. We'll go ahead and press search after that. And now we see a bunch of different keywords that are gonna fit that criteria. Monthly search volume is all over 10K, average price points between that 100 and 400 I put. And then there's average monthly revenue, which is actually very high. I mean, this thing's making $284,000 a month. And then we have all the reviews under 500. So let's actually look through and see if we see anything interesting. You will want to stay away from anything copywritten or trademarked, like Final Fantasy is a video game, and maybe you click in here on Amazon and you can instantly see it's owned and copywritten. We do not want to do any of those products. We have to do like a generic type of product. So like this, a digital calendar wall touch screen. Never seen this product in my life, and it's in a very high price point. Okay, and it's all the same type of calendar. Now we're gonna use Alibaba Lens and quickly see if I can find a similar product to that, which instantly I can find the supplier. Look at that. Selling for $260. Now it's over here for 60 bucks, 70 bucks. Some of these are like very high price, but we could find suppliers from 48 to 50, from 47 to $58. This actually could be a good product, but after I see that I do have a high profit margin, I then need to run the Zon-based Chrome extension to actually look at the entire market. Here's where I'm trying to see, are people making a lot of revenue, and are all of the reviews generally low? Okay, we're looking at the whole market here. It's all gonna be our exact product we're looking at. And these are actually pretty small, like 15-inch display, 21-inch. So it shouldn't be too heavy and big of a product, which could be a problem if you're selling a giant calendar or something like that. But look at this average monthly revenue, $420,000 average revenue, 12,000 free monthly searches for here. Average price $234. So getting it at whatever we saw, 50, 60 bucks, average price $230, that's well over 150 bucks profit per sale probably, or at least 120 after the Amazon fees. But now let's do the final bit of digging here. I like all the numbers so far. Reviews, okay, a lot of people are in the hundreds of reviews, some are in the thousands. I want to get a quick scan of here. 23 reviews, they're still making $143,000. Like, these guys are making insane money. $1 million, 1.5 million, 4, 5 million. So I'm saying, can I get a piece of the pie here? Maybe sell 50 units a month and make $100 profit per sale. That's still $5,000 in profit. And average units sold is actually 1,700. There's, look at this, monthly sales, 900, 2,700, 982, 1,082, 390. Do you think you could make 50 sales a month? Now, I'm not even done yet. I'm gonna give you another kicker that's gonna show us how we stand out and differentiate. But actually, this is a freaking good product. 43 reviews, 74K. 23 reviews, 97K. 22 reviews, 60K. Like, down the entire board, there's only a couple brand new people that are making less than 10K, and then it's all up from there. And this is like 2 reviews. They're making $11,000 per month with this. Now, here's the secret sauce, my friends. Drop a thumbs up on this video so far, because this is really, this could literally change your life here. So if I go in and click on this, let's scroll down to the frequently bought together section. It looks like people are just buying another calendar or something. What we need to do from here is go into ChatGPT, use the frequently bought together, do whatever we can to actually find a item that we can bundle with this product. Notice one thing, very, very peculiar, my friends. Everyone is just selling this. It's literally the same picture. Imagine if yours had this item, but then you bundled something really cool with it that the customers like wanted to have and really needed with it, maybe a stylus, a touch pen, I don't know, a cleaning pad, a carry bag, whatever. Put it in your main image so that it stands out and people click into it. And then you can see, I mean, people are still making 1,000 sales a month with 170 reviews, this basic product here. So what we could do is bundle it, and you could still sell at the same price. And even if they have more reviews than you, customers are still going to go for yours because you're giving that extra value in there. If it has the stylist or whatever it is, and maybe even price it at $150. I mean, if you get it for $50, $150 is still making you a lot of profit. I actually like this product a lot, and I'm going to take a screenshot of these and put it in my folder. Now, if you want access to my folder where I can give you hot product picks, or access to my real full done for you courses where I can actually set up your business, I'll have a link down below where you can actually watch and see if you qualify for that done for you service. Otherwise, I have a step-by-step course with high quality videos just like what you're seeing here, and you can follow that from start to finish, A to Z. I will have that linked down there as well for you. So this is going to be how we can start your Amazon business and get you traveling the world. I mean, I was just out here taking a swim. We got the pool back here. Phuket, Thailand. We're going to Circo Loco tonight, whatever that is. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot of this, save it in my folder. And that's going to do it for this video, my friends. Drop the thumbs up. I'm back. I haven't been making videos for years, but I've made over 650 in 8 years, and I took a break for 3 years. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for the support, and I'll catch you in the next video.